Hey guys, so you guys know how much I am a fabulous, amazing cook. I get it all done. No, not really. I have been using Blue Apron for quite a while for my family here and also my mom and dad in Kentucky. It's super easy and it's really, really helpful for working moms. For me, there is absolutely no waste, which is really important. And my kids love it and my husband, more importantly, loves it. Listen, we may pretend like we're Martha Stewart, but we're not, and I love to have family meals. It's better than Postmates takeout, and it's a lot more healthy. All 3 meals come in this box. Today we've got za'atar roasted chicken, seared steaks, parsley, caper butter, and then we have chicken quesadillas, pickled pepper salad. This is everything you need to know to make the ingredients, and it shows you a step-by-step on what to do. So let's start with the za'atar roasted chicken with the pearl couscous and the sesame dressing. Okay, here we go, all right. So these are our ingredients. We've got our broccoli, we've got our pearl couscous, boneless chicken, which I made into strips to go a little bit faster, a handful of garlic, raisins, lime, peppers, look how pretty these look, the za'atar seasoning, and the tahini sesame seed paste. We are gonna start with preheating the oven to 450, all right? Okay, so we're gonna heat a large thing of water, which I already have going. I've already prepared the produce and the vegetables so you guys can see. Okay, so you're gonna do 1/4 of a lime, so I'm gonna cut this. So you've got your lime cut into quarters. You're gonna peel and finely chop the garlic. Garlic is super yummy and super good for you. On hand, always in your house, is a garlic press. So we're gonna quarter the lime. Okay, so I'm gonna do 2. The next, we are going to use our tahini. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, any kind of olive oil is really good. And then you're gonna do 3 tablespoons of water. So next you're going to roast the vegetables. You wanna drizzle a little olive oil and salt. So I'm gonna stick this in my oven, and that is going to go for 19 to 20 minutes. Get out your phone, set your timer so you won't forget. Let's season the chicken and roast it. I cut it with kitchen scissors to make it faster and easier, and it just cooks a little bit more even. And again, you just wanna pat it dry. We're going to salt, pepper, add our za'atar seasoning, and a little bit of olive oil. I wish Stuber would like walk in right now, like at this moment. I wish he'd be like, yeah, that's my girl. So then I'm gonna salt and pepper. Roast this for about 15 to 17 minutes at 450. So now we're gonna do couscous. We're gonna do in boiling water, which has been boiling here for a few minutes. Okay, now we wait. Okay, so our couscous has been cooking and it is cooked, so we're good to go. So next, our vegetables should be done. So now we're going to add our vegetables to the couscous. You're gonna take 2 tablespoons again of the olive oil. I'm gonna take half the dressing, so I'm gonna make sure. Then you're gonna use the juice of your remaining limes. You're going to do your salt and pepper, and then you're just gonna simply toss it. I mean, this looks so good, and we haven't even added the chicken yet. So this is our za'atar roasted chicken with pearl couscous and mixed vegetables. Super easy, right? Should we try it? You guys, that is so good. Like really good. The first 100 people to click the link in the description below will get $50 off their first 2 weeks. Yes! Give me a like on this video and bon appetit to me. Just gonna eat this by myself.